Welcome back to Product Critique, where we explore unique and functional products that elevate your home experience. Today, we're taking a look at the best LED incense burner you can get your hands on, the LifMagix Backflow Incense Holder with LED light ring. Now this isn't your average incense burner. This is an experience. With its Kreisring design and round shape, it brings together the soothing elements of incense aromatherapy and the calming beauty of ambient lighting. What truly sets this piece apart is the LED light ring with 18 levels of adjustable brightness. It plugs in via USB, making it super easy to use anywhere, whether you're in your living room, yoga space, or home office. Let's talk about the design. The base is crafted from solid wood, and the main incense holder is a beautiful blend of ceramic and plastic, with earthy tones of green and brown that blend effortlessly into any decor style. It stands about 12.5 inches tall, 5 inches wide, and 11 inches deep. Just the right size to make a statement without being overpowering. Once you light one of the included 20 incense cones, yes, 20 different scents come in the package, the magic begins. The smoke flows down like a silent waterfall, slowly cascading in a mesmerizing path. It creates a dreamy, mysterious atmosphere, enhanced even further by the soft glow of the LED light. It's a visual and sensory treat that instantly brings calm and focus to any environment. And speaking of the package, you're getting a lot more than just the burner. Along with the LED light ring and ceramic sensor, you'll also find a decorative branch, a tweezer for easy cone handling, and of course, those 20 incense cones. This makes it an ideal gift set or a perfect addition to your self-care routine. Now, a quick tip. To keep your burner clean, just flush the ceramic body with boiling water and any stains will come right off. And one clarification, the LED ring is a soft ambient light, not a lighting effect display, so manage your expectations accordingly. Whether you're looking to add tranquility to your meditation sessions, elevate your yoga space, or simply enjoy a beautifully scented room while you read or work, this incense burner delivers on all fronts. It's not just decor, it's a vibe. So if you're ready to bring home a touch of serenity mixed with modern design, the LifMagix Backflow Incense Holder with LED light ring is definitely worth your attention. That's it for today's product critique. If you enjoyed this review, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon for more deep dives into products that make life just a little more beautiful. See you in the next one.